Allah bless the homeless vets.
Would you be able to watch the drive-through here and not enter that area? Would you mind?
You are.
I work here in the neighborhood, so I just was watching out for your own personal safety.
Allah bless the homeless vets.
Can you just not stand on the sidewalk?
We're out here today in Hillsdale, Michigan on a First Amendment audit. Got our Allah bless the homeless vets sign. See if they respect our First Amendment rights to free speech, our First Amendment rights to religion. Let's do it. Allah bless the homeless vets. 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 No, I just come out and say Allah bless the homeless vets to bring awareness to the homeless vets. And
You don't need money then?
no, I'm not asking for any money.
No donation? You need to add this
No,
money.
no, thank you. Well, bless you.
Donate for that cause?
There's different various causes you can donate to for it. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Allah bless the homeless vets. 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 Inshallah. Inshallah. Allah bless the USA. Allah bless the homeless vets.
Would you be able to watch the drive-through here and not enter that area? Would you mind? Just because there's cars passing through there. You can be anywhere in front here that you'd like. I get worried because sometimes people miss, they're counting their money and things like that. So.
I'll stay on the public sidewalk here.
Yeah,
Allah bless the homeless vets.
Yes, yeah, no worries. No, because sometimes when people are counting, they're rolling and they don't miss it. So I just wanted to touch base, make sure you.
They'd be at fault. Pedestrian has the right of way.
Right, exactly. You're right. That's true.
So yeah, I'm just saying Allah bless the homeless vets, bringing awareness to it.
Yeah, no, that's all right. And it's our first weekend for farmers market as well, so it's a busy weekend in town.
And you are?
I work here in the neighborhood, so I just was watching out for your own personal safety.
Oh, just watching out for my safety. You don't work for the bank here?
So, thank you.
You work for the bank? Okay, County National Bank. I see where you came from. Have a good day. Allah bless the homeless vets. Inshallah. Inshallah. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Inshallah. Inshallah. So we're out here in Hillsdale, Michigan with our Allah bless the homeless vets free speech sign on our First Amendment audit. We'll see if they respect our rights, First Amendment rights. Allah bless the homeless vets.
Can you just not stand on the sidewalk? If you want to go stand up on the grass or something, I appreciate it.
Allah bless
You just can't
the homeless vets.
Okay?
Allah bless the homeless vets. Look how this guy's driving. Look at this driving hazard he's causing, and he's talking about me on a public sidewalk. Unbelievable. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. So this officer is trying to run me off public sidewalk here in front of this County National Bank. I'm not going to let him violate my First Amendment rights.
Hey, what's that cop doing?
He's
that cop trying to leave?
yeah.
Really?
He told me I can't be here on public sidewalk.
Why not?
I'm going to challenge him. I'll challenge him to arrest me, I dare you.
Yeah.
I'm not leaving this public sidewalk. I have the freedom of speech, freedom of religion. It's my First Amendment right. Just spreading the awareness of Allah bless the homeless vets. 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 There goes another one. There goes the second one. It's about to get interesting. There goes the second Hillsdale officer. We'll see if they respect our First Amendment rights out here in Hillsdale, Michigan. Make sure you like and subscribe. Ring the bell to enable all notifications so you never miss a new video or new video alert. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. No, I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm just spreading awareness. Yep. I'm not homeless. I don't need the money. I just like coming out and spreading awareness and exercising my First Amendment rights. And it's oftentimes the homeless get bullied around by the police, so I'm coming up here standing up for them as well. So I appreciate it. Have a good one. Allah bless the homeless vets. At the County National Bank, the police were called on us. They tried running me off public sidewalk, told me to go stand on the grass. I stood my ground, fully stood my ground. I refused to let the police violate my First Amendment rights with this First Amendment audit. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now. We'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, we're out. Allah bless the homeless vets. Inshallah. Inshallah. Allah bless the USA.